Okay guys, today's the day. I only have a nice weather for this morning, so I'm going to get on the tractor and go mow the backfield. Gotta have my water. Uh-oh. Okay, I gotta put some gas in. I have trouble with this gas can every time I try to use it. So let's see. So I'm gonna want to make sure I have plenty of gas. I don't want to run out. Oh, see, this button has to go down. And I always have problems pushing it. There we go. That worked well. Anyway, I want to make sure that I'm full because where I'm going is grass really tall, and could be lots of stuff hiding in the grass, like snakes and I don't know, snakes mostly. We've got a lot of copperheads, and I mean, I haven't seen one here, but on my property, but there are in Missouri, and there's a lot of black snakes, and while they're not poisonous, they do bite. So I don't want to disrupt anything. Ooh, whoops. See, I should have been paying attention. Hope I don't explode now. Okay, to give you an idea of how far I've got to go, I have the goats and the horse away. I'm going to go open the gates so that I can just drive on through. Okay, let's get the tractor going. Okay, so you're gonna hear me sniffing a lot. Missouri allergies have got me, whoops, sniffling like crazy. work in a while. Engage! Okay, I'm a little embarrassed to show you this, but this is the line between my neighbor's property and mine, and mine is to the right. Now, I have not even walked up this way because since I've moved in, I've had it brush hogged once. I haven't needed this property, but look how beautiful this man mows once a week. He's got probably 40 acres. He doesn't even have a house on it, but you can see how nice it is. We don't have a fence or anything because he doesn't have anything on here, and I don't let the goats back here, but I would like to eventually have it fenced, but it's a lot of money for fencing. Now this is my side. There's the barn back that way. I am very embarrassed to show you this, but it is what it is. And I'm going to tell you, this is not easy to mow my property because, which I did not realize, when you're sitting on this tractor or little mower, ride-on mower, it's a huge hill. And what happens is it gets like this as you're going downhill, and there's like no seatbelt on this thing, and you start to go literally like that. It's not easy for me anyway to jump off this thing if it decides it's going to tip over, and it does feel like it's going to tip over. So I'm going to do the best I can to mow the flat parts, but the minute it starts to feel like it's tipping over, I'm going to leave that spot, and probably going to have to hire somebody to come in and finish it because I think this is beyond what I can do. But all right, I'm going to drive on down to the end where the road is and see what it looks like from there. Okay, so I am at the furthest point, and literally it's a point. It's like a slice of pizza, my property. There's the road, and as you can see, my house is way over there, and there's the barn, and here's the line I just made. It's gonna be a long couple of hours. Beautiful day though so far, and I just cannot get over this piece of property here. I wish I could buy it and put a house over there. If I ever win the lottery, I'll know who to knock on, whose door to knock on. Okay, let's get back to mowing. Ram-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty, ram-a-lam, whoa, Black Betty, ram-a-lam. Black Betty had a job, ram-a-lam, mow this lawn, ram-a-lam. Things get hard, ram-a-lam, just keep going on, ram-a-lam. I am a rock, I am an island. Oh, whoa. When you're weary, feeling small, when tears are in your eyes, I will dry them all. Ooh. Okay, got stuck on some kind of stump that I didn't know was here. And there's a hole right there. So I just had to pull it off the stump and get back to mowing. But here's what we got so far. Not too bad, but there's a lot to go. This might be a few days before we get this done. And it's supposed to rain tonight and tomorrow. All right, let me get back on the mower before snakes come out of that hole.